Okay, release of baby raccoon number 4. He was so sleepy earlier, but now
he's ready.
He's ready. He's like, oh, let me out.
Littler, the meaner.
That's true. That's very true. Alright, sweetie. He says, I have no experience with this stuff. Okay.
Yeah, just pop that.
Loop it through there. Okay, that's where you're looping.
Just something to pick it up with. Now I put my foot here.
To hold it steady.
You
ready, baby? Come this way, honey. Ooh, Godspeed, little man. Do you see him? Oh, he's over there.
Stop right there.
Go on, honey. Don't go towards the
Oh.
See him? You think he went? I just hope he goes that way. There he goes! Okay.